Are you looking for a hotel that is close to Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida? Do you appreciate quality but don't want to break the bank? And are you also interested in a family-friendly hotel that can entertain the kids when you might be a bit tired? Well, wonder no more because Cabana Bay has got ya. Cabana Bay is one of Universal Studios' prime value properties, which basically means that you can expect a unique theme and experience at an affordable price. The 50s and the 60s themed property really gave me the feeling of stepping back into time, thanks to the fun decor. If you're looking for a modern hotel, you might want to try another resort. But if you're looking for something fun and different, then this might be for you. There are 3 room types available here: standard, family suite, and a 2-bedroom. The family suite sleeps up to 6 people with 2 queen beds and a pull-out sofa, including a sliding privacy partition and more than 1 flat screen TVs. The 2-bedroom suite sleeps up to 8 people with a great view of Universal Volcano Bay and also has multiple flat screen TVs as well. I'll be providing you with a tour of the standard room to show you what it's really like to stay here.
I've made it to Cabana Bay and it's different. It's quirky, but I like that. So let me give you a tour of the room, starting with the lock on the door.
For extra safety, they have this not so vintage door lock that acts as a deadbolt for the door.
Because this is a retro hotel, you're gonna see some more older finishes, starting with the closet. Safe, still modern, and we have our ironing board there. If you've watched previous videos, you know how much I prefer a double sink. This is a room that would hold 2 people, and it would just have been nice to have double sink, but hey, it is what it is. It's clean, some nicks, but that's okay. I like that I have drawers here so that way you don't use up your countertop space. Blow dryer. Oh my. Look at the bar of soap. Zest. I haven't seen Zest in years. You're not fully clean unless you're Zest fully clean. The real ones know about that jingle. And a nice big mirror. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. We got a full length mirror here. Toilet. Oh, and we got more bar soap and VO5. My hair is not gonna be taking that. I was kind of hoping that they would have like a pump where you could, like, it would pump out body wash, but again, this is an older model type of style, so I get why they don't have it. It just would have been a nice touch. Got the curtains here. All right, moving on. The big thing, where I'm gonna be spending the majority of my time. The beds. All right, first of all, let's just fix this situation now. We'll start at 24 and see how I feel. I smell burning, so that means the heat is coming on. Yay! And if you're wondering just how warm it is outside, don't you worry about that. It's what the temperature inside that matters. So what's inside that matters. And inside, it was a little too chilly for me. Bright colors. They got that blue and orange. Very different from where I came from. But again, difference not necessarily bad. It's just different. Look at this furniture. Again, the blues, the orange, the whites. It's carrying through. Seating area. Someone's been busy because look at this backboard. Someone's been scratching it up. And it has light switches here. Oh my, even look at this. The old style clock. My goodness. Okay, they completely embrace the decor here. Let's go look at the view. Is the parking lot Okay, now the good thing about this is even though I have a view of the parking lot, over there is the entrance of Volcano Bay. So at least I don't have to walk too far. See what I did there? I made a lemonade out of lemons.
I really like that they offer a flyer of the food that they offer in the resort. Because they have a bowling alley and it can get really busy, they also have a QR code that can be used to reserve your lanes, which will save you from long wait times. They also have a rundown on things that you should be familiar with about the hotel, like the times that the housekeeping comes, only towels on the ground will be refreshed because it's a green hotel, and details about their amenities. This is a smoke-free resort, and if there is smoke in your room, then there will be a service charge billed to you. Now that we're done the room tour, let's give you a glance of the other amenities the hotel has to offer. Shake's Malt Shop offers smoothies, shakes, and for the adults, apparently they also have grown-up milkshakes late into the night. It's a good place to come when you are craving something sweet. Atomic Tonic is located in the courtyard and offers a selection of sandwiches, wraps, and much more. They also offer a variety of non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages. Bayline Diner is a food court where you can go for all of your meals. They offer grab-and-go meals, snacks, and drinks perfect for stocking the fridge in your room or taking to the pool. In addition to the restaurants I mentioned, they also have the Swizzle Lounge, where you can sit back and relax in their comfy seats, the Hideaway, which is near the lazy river, Starbucks, and Delicioso Pizza, where you can have it delivered to your room also. Another exciting feature they have is the arcade. I found so many timeless games here, as well as modern video games. The resort also boasts a 10-pin bowling alley, and this alley has a bar and table service restaurant, which means that you don't have to stop your game when you're hungry. The food will be right there for you.
I am now at the gym. Let's go see what it looks like inside.
For those who enjoy a good workout, the Jack LaLanne Physical Fitness Studio lets you get into shape. Surrounded by memorabilia of the famed TV fitness pioneer.
Time to work out.
The resort is quite spacious. When planning what wing you want to stay in, you might want to take into consideration the places that you're likely to frequent, such as the cafeteria, the water park, pools, and just get a room near there. You may also want to keep your room key handy because it serves multiple purposes. It can be used to enter the private access to Volcano Bay Water Park, charging purchases across the resort, complimentary package deliveries to your room, and you can use it to access complimentary transportation to SeaWorld, Aquatica, and Universal Studios. However, it isn't associated with water park tickets or any other tickets. So if you want, you can go to the ticket desk across the gift shop to make purchases. There are also poolside activities like hula hoops, lazy river, splash contests, and family activities. But before I left, I needed to go on this slide, and judging by the clouds in the sky, it was going to rain soon. So it's now or never.
Why did I do this to myself? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm glad that I got a chance to do that slide because there's now lightning in the area. So had I waited a little bit longer and been indecisive, I would have missed out on that opportunity. So, YOLO.
Overall, I enjoyed my stay at Cabana Bay. It was definitely family friendly. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please comment and remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.